Hi, I'm Larry with Rocket Matter. Today we're going to talk about document assembly. It's a very simple idea. Basically, what it allows you to do is take data that you have stored and smush it into a document and instantly create it, as opposed to having to open a document and like find and replace all sorts of stuff. So, for example, this is my Rocket Matter database, and you can see that this is a matter that I'm working with, and there's certain things in here. There's a case number, there's a county, there's the name of the court, which is First Court of Chuck Norris. There's the court address, which is 12,000 Chuck Norris Push-Ups Boulevard. And then we have a bunch of related contacts, such as a plaintiff and a defendant. So that I have stored, and that, I'm working with my case. So I also have a document in Word. And as you can see, I have these goofy looking placeholders with these like double angle brackets. So here's one that says name of court, case number, plaintiff, defendant, and so on and so forth. So the whole idea is that I can take the data from Rocket Matter and stuff it into here. Now, once we get these things set up, it makes it really easy to generate documents. So I'm going to go to Rocket Matter, and I'm going to click Add New, Merge Document, because I'm merging my data with this document. Now I get a chance I have all these different things that I can create. I can do a hearing notice. I can do an engagement letter. I'm going to work with my hearing notice because that's the document I just showed you, and I'm going to click Next. So then we get this preview screen, and it shows me, okay, what did we find in the document, and what's the data that you have? So you can see that up here it says in the First Court of Chuck Norris, and the case number, PA 432, Burt James Hobb versus City of Fort Lauderdale, which was data that I stored. In the family court located at 12,000 Chuck Norris Push-Ups Boulevard. So this thing was automatic. This is the preview screen, and I can even add billable time if I'm here to bill for it, and I can click Next, and I can put hearing notice up here, and I can click Publish, and it's automatically going to create this document and store it inside of Rocket Matter, and so I'll always have it, and I can download it, and I can share it in my portal. I can do all these awesome stuff with it. So that's document assembly. That's how it works, and that's how you'd implement it in Rocket Matter.